Hello everyone. I welcome you all to our YouTube channel LNC Pro. This is Ratnesh Parikh. In this video we will discuss section 16 to 18 of IPC, which are part of chapter 2 that deals with general explanations. So let's start this video. We are going to discuss following sections. Section 16, which defined the word Government of India, which was repealed by the Government of India, Adaption of Indian Laws, Order 1937. Section 17, which defines the term government. Section 18, which defines the word India. So in this video, we will understand the definition of the term government and the definition of the term India. So let's move to section 17. Section 17 says the word government denotes the central government or the government of a state. In a very famous case of RS Nayak versus AR Antulay 1984, the Supreme Court decided that legislature of a state cannot be comprehended in the expression state government. Now let's look at section 18. Section 18 defines the word India. This is very important. According to section 18, India means the territory of India excluding the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now you must be thinking that Jammu and Kashmir is part of India according to Article 1 of Indian Constitution. If we look at Article 1 of Indian Constitution, it says, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The states and the territories thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. And the first schedule of the Constitution mentions Jammu and Kashmir as part of India. First schedule point 15 says the territory which immediately before the commencement of this Constitution was comprised in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now when Article 1 of Constitution includes Jammu and Kashmir as part of India and section 18 of IPC says India means territory of India excluding the state of Jammu and Kashmir, does it mean section 18 of IPC is violative of Article 1 of the Constitution of India? No, it does not mean that. Section 18 is not violative of Constitution of India because meaning of India under IPC is only for the purposes of IPC. And IPC is not applicable on the state of Jammu and Kashmir because the state of Jammu and Kashmir has its own penal code, which is known as the Ranbir Penal Code, which is almost same as IPC. But after this recent controversy where presidential order has been passed and Article 370 and Article 350A has been removed from the Constitution, now there might be amendment in section 18 also, and this excluding state of Jammu and Kashmir may be removed, and after that amendment we may have to read the section differently. So for now we do not know if IPC will be applicable on Jammu and Kashmir or Ranbir Penal Code will be applicable. Until the amendment is brought, we will go with the provision of section 18 of IPC. So in this video we have understood the meaning of the term government and the meaning of India. And we have also understood why IPC is not applicable on the state of Jammu and Kashmir. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos on various other topics. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and help us spread more knowledge. Thank you.